In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play OSRS in full screen. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you simple instructions that you can follow to toggle old school RuneScape between full screen or windowed mode. This is going to work for basically any platform. So all that you have to do is first, run old school RuneScape. As you can see, I am on PC on Windows, so we have to go through the launcher, the JGX launcher, to play now. So you will be able to do this once you are inside of the game. Usually, most games will allow you to do this by pressing F11 or Alt plus Enter, but this is not the case with old school RuneScape. So once you are inside, all that you have to do now is go over to the settings, so click the settings icon at the bottom right, select display, and go into all settings. Finally, you will find full screen in the one before last option under the graphics. So immediately upon clicking this little box, it is going to be toggled. So as you can see, the navigation bar at the top is going to go away, and I can still see my taskbar if I use my mouse and I hover over at the bottom. But regardless, full screen is now enabled, and it is going to cover the entirety of your window region, and this is all you have to do. If I click this option again, it's going to be toggled off, so now it's in windowed mode. I can move the window about, resize it as I wish, but for full screen, this is all you have to do. Toggle this option at any time. It switches by in an instant, so you don't even have to worry. You can also use this option always on top, that way as you can see, I won't even be able to open the Windows taskbar. It is completely taking over any other applications, and it's always going to be related on top of everything. But regardless, to answer the question in the title of this video, this is all you have to do. Just toggle this option. I don't know of any other shortcuts to enable this on the fly, but it is still pretty quick to open the settings and just go over here. But if you know of any shortcuts that work, just let me know in the comments below. I hope I was able to help you on how to play old school RuneScape full screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.